edit your pictures from this to this. Let's go into video. This is Star Quest Sisters and it's your girl Besta. Make sure you like, subscribe, and join the family. And let's get right into this video. Let's get right into it.
So the first thing you want to do is download your Face app, and if you already have it, just click on it. So here's the picture, and then you start to edit. So it's going to open up like this, and then you have different options. So I'm just going to be using a few options. So the first thing I'll do is click on the skin, and then smooth it, and then you click on tan. Now, tan helps you to reduce the brightness if it's too much, and it also helps you to sharpen the image more. Then after this, I'll go to makeup, and then search for makeup. This is the only one I use here. And that's because it doesn't over edit my picture. I don't want an image that is too edited. You can see that you're still seeing the quality, you're still seeing the skin of my model. And then I click on apply. I'll then go to paint. And then on this part, I just want to brighten up the place that I have shadows. You might not really remove the shadow, but you just brighten it up a little bit. So you see what I'm talking about. So I'm picking the first one because she's a light skin, but you can see there are different skin tones there. So and you have options. So you just click on the brush that is on blue, and then you start to paint a little bit. Now you see, that's brightening it up a little bit. Not like you completely remove the shadows there, because once you do that, and once you completely remove the shadows, it will just make the pictures look fake. So you can see the before, you can see the after, and then I feel like touching the hands a little bit too with the first tune, because that's the one that actually looks closer to our skin. These are adjusting to go because of the light setup and all. That's why it's looking like the neck is primary, the face is brighter than the neck. So after this, I'm going to go to adjustment, and I'm going to work on all the options. I'm going to start with the enhance, just enhance the picture a little bit. See, I don't want too much of it, so I just want a little of it, and then I go to brightness. I have a little to it to the highlight. I think I reduced the highlight because I don't like how it was looking too harsh, so I reduce it a little bit. The shadows too, I'm going to reduce it a little bit because I want to see the details of I want the details of my work to come out very well. And then after that, I click on saturation, and then I'm going to add a little bit of saturation to it. Now saturate a bit, and then you sharpen your image. You can see you had contrast to it a little bit, so you don't have too much to it. So I mean, you're still seeing the skin and everything. I haven't done anything serious on this face, and you can see that the details are coming out already. And then we have temperature. Temperature too, I really don't like using temperature like that. So if my picture is looking like this, here, can I use the temperature to reduce it? Now, this is where my picture is standing now. This is the actual color. So if I just want to reduce it a little bit, I don't like the way it's toning down, changing the skin to another. But if you like it, you can leave it. But then I think I left mine. I don't really do anything on it for the temperature. Or let's say I reduce just 3 from because I don't want too much of it. Now this part to a little bit. Oh, so this one you want it to a bit just a pink. Let's remove the yellow on the picture. If the picture is too yellow or there's very reflecting in the picture, then you can reduce it and then turn it because I don't want that. I don't really want that. So I'm just going to leave the picture like this, or probably just reduce it a little bit too, because I don't want that pinkish. I don't like it. I don't want to look like pink, that kind of thing, to be giving the reddish face. No. I want our skin tone to remain flat.
-3.
And then the next thing I think I used on this particular picture was just I use filter. Then see the filter I use. You can use different filter. Anyone that matches the skin. You can use this. Take it like this. Or you can use this. I think I like this. So I'm going for Victoria.
These are other filters,
so nice.
guys.
I like it. I like how it makes it look sharp. And looking really bright. So then, can you see that?
So you can still use filter in the face.
So that's that.
To also like
apply. And we are done. Before, after.
Wow. From this, okay, guys. Cute. Before and after. You can see the picture of before on your screen right now. Let me take it back a little bit. You can see before and you can see after. See after is so beautiful. Then before, it's also so cute. So guys, make sure you edit your videos exactly like this, and your pictures, your pictures majorly, because and use the Face app. The Face app on your screen. Go to your Play Store or your Apple and use the Face app. Now you can also use this skill to earn money online. Like what we do in Star Quest Sisters, we show you different ways to actually earn money online. Now you can edit other people's pictures for free. Yes, you can edit other people's pictures for a living. So using this particular skill free of charge, you can use that to earn money just by editing people's pictures. So guys, if you want to know how that should work and go through it, and if you're interested in that kind of side hustle, make sure you subscribe and comment below. And if you love and if this is helpful to you, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, Star Quest Sisters.